You can add information about the job responsibilities of various contacts to indicate what the contact person is responsible for within their company, for example, IT, management, or production. You can use this information when entering information about your contacts. Using job responsibilities on contacts is a two-step process. First, you define the job responsibility code. You only have to perform this step once for each job responsibility. Once you have a job responsibility code, you can start to assign that code to contact persons. The job responsibility code defines the type or category of the job, such as marketing or purchase. You can have several job responsibility codes. To define the job responsibility, you use the Job Responsibilities window. Firstly, choose the search icon, enter Job Responsibilities, and then choose the related link. Choose the new action and fill in a code and a description. The code can be a maximum of 11 characters and can be any combination of numbers and letters. To assign job responsibilities to a contact person, open the contact person card and choose the person action. Then choose the responsibilities action. In the Job Responsibilities Code field, select the job responsibility that you want to assign. Repeat these steps to assign as many job responsibilities as you want. You can also assign job responsibilities from the contact list by following the same procedure. The number of job responsibilities that you have assigned to the contact is displayed in the Number of Job Responsibilities field in the Segmentation section in the Contact window.